Today, I'll show you how to remove your Gmail profile picture. Maybe you don't want any photos showing at all, or you just prefer a more private, neutral look on your Google account. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure the picture is fully removed from your Google profile. First, go ahead and open Gmail. You can do this in any browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Just make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. If you use multiple accounts, double check by looking at the email address in the top right corner so you don't accidentally change the picture on the wrong account. Once Gmail is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your current profile image there. It might be a photo of you, an icon, or just a colored circle with an initial. Click on that profile picture. This opens a small menu that shows a larger version of your image, along with some account options. In that menu, find and click the option that says Manage your Google account. This will take you out of Gmail's main inbox view and into your Google account settings, where you control things like your personal info, data, and security. Give it a moment to load. It will usually open in the same tab. Now that you're in your Google account page, look for the section called Personal Info. This is where Google keeps things like your name, birthday, and of course your profile photo. You'll usually see Personal Info as a tab or option on the left-hand side or near the top. Click on Personal Info to open that section. Inside the Personal Info page, locate the area that shows your profile picture. It will normally appear near your name. Click directly on your profile picture there. When you do this, you'll see options related to that image, including a way to change it or remove it. In this view, look for the three dots icon, often called More Options. It is usually in one of the corners around your profile picture. Click those three dots. This opens a small menu with different actions you can take. Then click your profile picture again from within this menu if prompted. This helps bring up the specific controls for that image. Depending on your layout, you may see a list of photos you've used before, or simply your current image with management options. Now you should see an option to either remove or delete the photo. Select Remove or Delete for the current profile picture. When you confirm this, Google removes that image from your account. After a few moments, your profile photo will usually be replaced with the generic initial icon or a blank style avatar. Give it a little time for the change to sync across all Google services. If you switch back to Gmail and refresh the page, you should see that the picture is no longer there and has been replaced with the default icon. That's all you need to do to remove your Gmail profile picture.